In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram message notifications not working on the iPhone 17 series, including iPhone 17, 17 Pro, 17 Pro Max, and 17 Air. Let's start with the first method. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile page. Now, tap on the three lines in the top right corner. From the menu, select Notifications. Then, tap on Messages and Calls. Here, make sure that everything is turned on Message Requests, Messages, and Calls. If any of them are off, just turn them on. This step helps Instagram send you alerts whenever someone messages or calls you. Now, let's move to the second method. Go back to your profile again and tap on the three lines at the top right. In the search bar, type Sleep Mode. If Sleep Mode is turned on, that might be stopping your notifications. Simply turn it off. And that's it. Your Instagram message notifications should now be working normally. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone quick fixes.